Hello friends, my name is Som and now today we will see chapter vector algebra. These are topics to be covered: type of vector, position vector, direction cosine, addition, product. There are two type of products: scalar product and vector product, which are also known as dot and cross product. So vector algebra is majorly studied in 3D. Point A and point B. A point is called initial point and B is called terminal point. Now we will see type of vector: null vector or zero vector. If the initial and terminal point of a vector coincide, then it is called zero vector. It is denoted by O or 0. Its magnitude is 0 and direction indeterminate. Unit vector: a vector whose magnitude is unit of length along any vector. A vector is called a unit vector in the direction of a vector and is denoted by a cap is equals to a vector upon mod a vector. Equal vector: two non-zero vectors are said to be equal vectors if their magnitude is equal and directions are the same. Collinear vector: two or more non-zero vectors are said to be coplanar than vectors if these are parallel to the same plane. Like and unlike collinear vectors having the same direction are known as like vector, which those having opposite directions are known as unlike vectors. Coplanar vector: two or more non-zero vectors are said to be coplanar vectors if these are parallel to the same place. Localized vectors and free vectors: the vectors drawn parallel to a given vector through a specified point of the initial point is known as the localized vector. If the initial point of a vector is not specified, it is said to be a free vector. Next type of vector is negative of a vector. Let AB vector be a vector directed from A to B, then AB vector is a vector which would be directed from B to A. Next is position vector. Let O be the origin and A be a point such that OA vector is equals to A vector. Then we say that the position vector of A is A vector. For example, OP vector is equals to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. A vector is equals to A I cap plus 2 A2j cap plus A3k cap. Thank you.